Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use Adobe Reader to sign up a PDF document. So I'm going to be guiding through that particular here. Right, so very important. We're going to guide you through that here. For instance, if somebody actually send the document, this PDF document here, somebody actually send it, we don't know exactly how, because it's a form to fill out. Right, so this itself is a reader, Adobe Reader. The first thing you want to right click on it, you're going to open it. When you open it, right, the first thing you're going to look at is tool. You click on word tool, right? What you want to look at here, fill and sign, close this, fill and sign, click right there, look up pointer here, open it, right here, it says select, right? It's a final fill form, so select a file. So we're going to select, so this is the PDF that you want to sign up. So I click on it, I'll click on word open, right here. So I click on open, notice it says sign and fill and send here. So this is what I want to focus on. We're going to click on that. Right, there you go. This is the document itself, right? So let me bring up this a little. All right, so there you go. Just like that. All right, so I get this document to sign out. What you want to sign out? Notice on the cursor I say AB. So I'm going to click right here. So I'm going to type the name here. If I come like this, type the name, I can put the space bar here. Then I can put the other name right here. I can come right down here. Click now. Then I can actually put like that. Let me see this here. Put that. All right, so notice I can actually come right down here. I'm putting this one here. Right here, let me clear that. That's there you go. Notice you come right here. So you're actually going to choose. When you click, you come right at this. Look at that here. And you're going to put the tick. You notice the tick is right there. When you tick and look big, if you're going to put the cursor right at the end, and notice cursor, I can actually carry it in some more. Hold on the left side, the mouse, and try to take it in some more. All right, so let me try that again to take it in some more. Right, so I can actually move it like that. And let's take a look at time. Carry it in. All right, so let me see right here. All right, so there you go. So here I'm going to type no. Right, just like that. And I'm going to come right here. Right, I'm going to type. Notice we're getting somewhere so far. Right, notice we actually have here the form actually filled up. So what if we want to carry it out some more? What I have to do is click it, right? And definitely what you can definitely put the cursor, notice the cursor become a star, just draw it out like that. If you want to carry it up like that, you can actually carry it up like that. So for this one, you put the cursor upon it, make it become a star, you just actually draw it out just like that. And that's all you have to do, definitely, with it. And this is how you actually type it out, and this now can actually carry it down directly upon the line like that, or carry it out just like that. So for Jamaica, let me carry out Jamaica. All right, and if you want to increase, you can click right here. You notice you get increase. Notice if I click this, you decrease. So you can actually do that. If you want to get rid of it, this is where you come. All right, so very important here. So this is how you actually sign up a PDF document using the Adobe Reader, right? So very important. So if you learn something from this particular video, so just remember to share with a friend.